Are you curious maybe what other business owners are asking me or struggling with when they harness my help? Here's an inside scoop. So, a couple ways that other business owners are using me, and the questions that they're asking are: one, how do I even get started with my email marketing? Because many of them are carrying around a lot of guilt about, well, yeah, I have people who are on my list, but I haven't sent them anything, or I used to send email letters. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. That's one way that people have used my Power Hour to help them get started. Some other questions are, oh, this thing on my website, we've been trying to update it, or my homepage is outdated, or have a new contact form or scheduler I can't get on my website, or sometimes there's just a laundry list of things that are piling up having to do with systems or website that they need to get done. We can knock those out in a Power Hour. Also, deciding which service to use. This is a place where many of us are shoulding all over ourselves. Well, I should be doing this or I should be doing that. Well, let's have a conversation to figure out what actually would help you, what system you really need. Are you trying to make a choice? Are you trying to make a decision? Are you trying to decide between Acuity and Calendly? Or are you trying to decide if you should use WordPress or Weebly or Wix or something else for your landing pages? Let's let's make a decision for your business that makes sense for you, that uses your priorities and gets you the tool and system that you need. Also, you might already have a system, but you're not making the most of it. We all probably have systems that we're not using to their full potential. Let's harness it and get you using it to your fullest potential. So to find out more or to book a Power Hour with me, go to fieryeffects.com.